Hey everybody, this is Richard, just doing a really quick video for the trades on the 11th of January. So we got into 2 day trades this morning. The first one triggered and we got stopped out pretty quickly. You'll see it here on the video. And that's the day trade long. It has a $350 stop, and so it is a tight stop. What it's looking for is to get in and have the market just immediately go higher. Now in this case it didn't, and so we got whipped out of that trade. The other day trade that entered was the Emerald Long, and that's this one here that you'll also see, and you'll see how we got out of the one day trade, but we're still in the other, and that's okay. So because these algorithms are all independent of one another, that kind of thing can happen. And so in this case though, the market sold off a bit and the trade was down for a while, but then eventually the market rallied and came back. But because of the weakness that it saw, the algorithm determined that we were not in a strong up state anymore, and that's why it got out. Now since that trade, the market has just sort of been trending higher. The other trades we had though were these option trades, and so the same time that the day trade triggered, we had an option sell. We sold a put and then bought a put, creating that 20-point spread. So we sold the 39.60 and we bought the 39.40. As the market was showing weakness and then decided to rally, at about 10 o'clock Mountain Standard, we got into a second option trade. And on that one, we sold the 39.65 put and bought the 39.40. So that created a 25-point spread. And then about 20 minutes later, we got into 2 more option trades. And those 2 are only seen on Paladin. So the first 2 are seen on Noble, the last 2 only on Paladin. And the ones on Paladin, we sold the 39.70, bought the 39.50. On one of them, creating a 20-point spread, and then the fourth option trade, we sold the 39.70 and bought the 39.45. So combined, this is what we've had today. We've had 4 option trades and then 2 day trades. We'll see how the market closes. I'll speed up the video though so that you can kind of see and add some commentary when the market closes. Now I'd like to quickly do the risk disclosure, so keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future performance. Trading futures and options involves substantial risk of loss. It's not appropriate for all investors. And keep in mind, I'm not a CTA. We offer the algorithms under what's called a letter of direction. So if we close where we're at now, then all 4 of these options are going to be profitable. On the day trade though, we did have a loss of $331 on the day trade long. We had a gain of $95 on the Emerald Long. And then on option 1, it was a gain of $306. Option 2, a gain of $323. And then, so if we look at Noble, which trades those 4 algorithms, the total gain was $393, which is about 0.98% gain on a 40K account size. So if you were trading $40,000 on a Noble, 1 unit, then you would have made almost $400 today, which isn't bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. The Paladin actually had the other 2 option trades as well, which were 100% profitable. So the gain on Paladin was actually about $1,002, or about 1.67% on a $60,000 unit size. So those are the results that we saw. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that past performance is not indicative of future performance. And there's definitely risk in trading futures and options. It's not for everyone. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.